Hey y'all. All right. Um, Back out here in the garage and getting the gas tank strap under here and getting that all squared away. It's been a little while since I posted anything, but I thought I'd show you the gas tank strap in action. And here we go. So there it is. There's more to see though, so I don't have my tripod with me or my even a selfie stick. So there's the strap in action right there. I did have to bend it a little bit right there to go around the tank. I just put it in the vise, bend it just a little bit, as you can see right there. Fortunately, this one's like really a lot easier to get into that slot. So, and I've noticed that this is much more like the 94 and later gas tank straps. Okay, so we'll go over here to the other side. I think I know what's been... This rattle has been bugging me for a while. I go over a bump or something and this bangs against the exhaust muffler here. Not that it's much of a muffler. Gets pretty loud in the cab sometimes. Anyway, here's the other side over here. And there's that. I'll get the light over here to it so you can see better. Yeah, there's my fuel filter. And there's that long bolt there. There we go. Got the light on it. That long bolt with the nut on it. This is what holds up the back of the gas tank. As a matter of fact, right here you can see the gas tank is not touching the jack. The jack was holding the gas tank up. So this worked out fantastic. Now, that strip right there, you see that darkened strip? That is the place where I had a ratchet strap around this, and I used the ratchet strap to pull the tank over, pull the gas tank over that way towards the frame, because there was a large gap over here. There was a large gap right in here, and I couldn't get the gas tank to go on over. And so I went and grabbed a ratchet strap that had been out in the rain. Just put it around there, tightened it up, and there you go. So now that gap is much more natural there. There we go. We can see that pretty good right there. But anyway, yeah. I just wanted you to see how this turned out. It's turned out really nice. The strap did. So I wanted you to see that it turned out really nice. Hopefully the painting will keep the rust at bay for at least for a while. Because, wow, that thing just completely rusted out on me. So, while I was under here, I painted my 8 3/4 differential. I'm going to hit the other side. I've already painted the other side, but it needs another coat. So I'm going to do that real quick. Okay, just working myself out from underneath the truck. And so anyway, I just thought I'd show you all of that. So I'll be getting it down off the jack stands today. It's been a little while to get all of that taken care of. I'll tell you, it's been really a hassle. But it's been worth it. So, all right, anyway, I'm going to slide under here, shoot that rear axle with a little bit of paint. And I just wanted to bring you a little update on this stuff, okay? And there'll be more coming very soon. Wheel bearing on Savannah's '04 Dodge Ram 1500. Front wheel bearing went out on that, so I'll be doing some work on that. It's a gray, dark gray truck sitting over there with a tonneau cover on it. Yeah, that's going to be getting some work next. So that'll be next. Alrighty, I thank y'all very much. And God bless. Have a great one.